All right. Give it a quick couple minutes for everybody to log in here. Ah! Aaron Maiden, what's up, man? I don't think anybody will ever surpass your name. It's going pretty good. We are at Rapid TCT live here. We're about to go up and down the booths here and see what's going on and show everything off to you guys that are not here. And yeah, we'll give it a few minutes to get some people in here. Don't forget to like and share this out to everybody, and that way people can see. We just had some hot dogs because they brought out hot dogs to everybody. That was delicious. They were definitely some ballpark style hot dogs. Welcome everybody. All right, we'll give it like 5 minutes, I would say. So. I hope the stream holds up this time. It should be. There's just one road we're going to go down. How many roads must a man walk down? Is that my camera blurry? Yeah, it is. Let's see if we can wipe off the camera. There we go. That's a little better. It's not as foggy. I really wanted to go, but didn't have the cash. I live like 25 minutes away. So really the only money that you would have to spend is on parking. That's about it, which I think is about $25 for the entire day. So that's not bad. But the entire show is free. And like I said, they just brought out some hot dogs. In fact, you guys might be able to see down there that they're still serving hot dogs way back there. Yep. We're zooming in on that guy, but right behind this dude, there's some hot dogs, and somewhere down there is Joel. We may or may not pass him. I don't know. We'll have to see. So, might take the train. Yep. See, you can take the train out here. So there is tomorrow that's still going on. However, I will not be here. I am just here today and yesterday. So we did a live stream yesterday. We'll do another live stream today. What's up, Honey Badger? How's it going? We're going to pass by Frozen here in a little bit. We're just going to wait a couple more minutes to get some people in here. Don't forget to like and share this out to other people, and we can get the most people in here. Doing my typical live streaming. But we'll pass by and try and show off as much as we possibly can. We have Ray Shape right here in front of us, and we have Hawk Ridge Systems. What's up, Phantom? How's it going, man? We could go up to the food court and do like a whole sky thing. Oh, there's Frozen right there. There's one of the man of Frozen. Honey Badger, you know who that guy is? You know who that is? I just took a picture of him not too long ago, so I have proof I have met him. That's our boy, Tian. I do indeed, yeah, so I was trying to get a hold of you when you were doing your live stream, but you were too busy in depth of the lurge. I was literally right by his booth while you were doing that live stream, so I was going to hop in and take your stream down. Do they have 3D printers there? Nope. They just have printers that do 3D. That's it. Yeah, no, they have metal 3D printers. They have FDM printers, or FFF. And they have SLA, MSLA, you name it. Any type of 3D printer you can think of, they probably have here. Even Creality has a palette printer. It is ridiculous. It's basically a CR10S5 on steroids. So, well, the Lurge didn't work. That's unfortunate. But the Lurge. That's what James was working on. Patty with the Hattie. Long time no see, man. Welcome in. Nice to see you. Yes, Rebel Point is there. So if you guys didn't see my recent Facebook post, I actually have a full scan of myself from Rebel Point. It is the coolest scanner ever. And it is worth every penny. If it actually does that every single time, I think they said it was like almost $800. And that's probably not including the stand. So let's say another $200. So let's call it $1,000. When it's all said and done, you can scan your entire self. Get out of here. Yo, what's up, Patty? Still waiting for my K1 to ship from Creality. Well, we can pass by K1 and ask them, or we could just take the floor model. Yeah, been doing pretty good. We're at Rapid TCT, so this is like a... Oh, let's zoom out. This is like a additive manufacturing industrial show. So, but we're gonna start walking down and show you guys off some of the places. So we have Ray Shape here, who does the SLA printing. They got 2 of their machines out here and all of their stuff that they resin print. How about that? A bike helmet, engineering, manufacturing, connectors, you name it, everything. SolidWorks. I'm going to try and show you guys off as much. If you haven't seen the live stream from yesterday, you can check that out and see what's going on. So this is CoPrint. Then we have Flak Tech. We have our good friends over at Frozen. James, are you still in here? Can say hi. Look. You guys haven't seen that one yet. You guys all know about that one. Right? I can say hi, James, if you want. And then we got some new resins coming out from Frozen, too. We got the clear. Hey, what's happening?
Good to see you.
Good. We got the upcoming Flex. We have some Impacts. That's who I went with the last time I was here. That's he works for Overhang Labs. He does QTS resin.
Got some hot dogs.
Yeah, you guys want some hot dogs? I mean, very tempted to have another hot dog. I'm still a little hungry, but I probably shouldn't. But it sounds delicious. So we have Remover 3D Filament Factory. Hopefully you guys are still seeing all this. Yep. Okay. Ultimaker and the Bamboo Labs. Granule Tools. 3 Your Mind software. A lot of additive manufacturing stuff here. A lot of metal 3D printing as well. Got some 3D printed metal teeth. Some pallet extruder stuff. We have our folks over at Jamhe. You guys see all this? You guys know who Jamhe is. They make most of the resins that you guys know and love and use, as well as filament. Munster, what's up, man? See, it's kind of filled out a little bit because everybody's kind of eating, and I think they're also watching the talks that are over in the corner there as well. So, and who knows? Maybe we'll run into some people that you guys may or may not know. Some famous people might be here. You know, you never know. Oh God, look, a famous person. Let's see what's going on here. I think this is the Women of 3D Printing, if I'm not mistaken. So if that goes on here, you guys can see what's going on. Ask what is the best resin to use for a tumbler? A tumbler? You want me to ask Jamhee? So I have some new resin that I have to test out for Jamhee that they gave to me. And I have a 3D resin printed pen. Oh God, if this thing can focus. There we go. Check that out. Focus. What's up, Polar? How's it going? So yeah, you would probably use something that is a tough resin. Frozen has some really tough stuff. So this is kind of like the chit chat zone area. We got the America Makes going on here. Got a lot of camera crews setting up here and doing some stuff. So you know, all the professional peeps that are not me. Let's go down this road. Check that out. That is an awesome heat exchanger, man. Profit key, smart. Dude, check that. Look at that thing. Anything cooler on day 2 than day 1? No, it's pretty much the same. There's nothing changed here. The only thing is we're going the opposite way than what we did the first time. So we started towards the Creality and ended at Frozen, whereas we started at Frozen and we're going to end at the Creality. So, but I just wanted to do another one. Oh, yeah. So I'll stop in at a booth that a fellow maker, he does some additive manufacturing stuff here. I'll show you some cool stuff that we were looking at today, but essentially nothing has really changed today. We just kind of looked at some small things here and there. What is cool is RevoPoint has a scanner here that is awesome. It did a whole 3D scan by me. So I have myself 3D scanned somewhere on the RevoPoint computer. Go to the Creality and ask them when they are shipping my order. At the end of the month, I would guess. I don't know. I just work here. We got candies everywhere. Look at it. How about this? Look at this. How about that for a 3D printer? Look at that thing. That is insane. Look at it. That is 3D printed, peeps. Look at that. That is huge. Hello there. Hello there. Trim and drill tool for an airplane fuselage. Look at the layers on that thing. So here's the layers. This is my finger. It's 3-4 layers to my finger. That's insane. Crazy stuff. We have Masterprint. We have E3D. We have the people at Photocentric. Yeah, there's the Magna. That thing is insane. And there's all the cool stuff that they can make with it. Look at that build plate. That is huge. And then we have the folks over at RevoPoint here. And that's the scanner right there. But that man right there, he does all the hand scanning stuff. Awesome stuff. Well, Wi-Fi just don't really mix all that well sometimes. So I want a 3D scanner. So if you do, spend the money and get a good one. Look at this. This is where I was 3D scanned not too long ago, and all the software is right in there. Like, look at that. Oh, there we go. We're doing the man at Frozen. I had mine earlier, so. Look at here. We can watch this live. So look, you guys can see what's going on here. So look at this scanner. This is insane. I want one of these. I'm going to get one. Regardless. You just stay still, and they will go and scan your entire body, and then you have it all. Like, this is platform because you know you want the little platform as well. Oh, there you go. You guys can win a rain scanner. Oh, I need to sign up for that one. There you go. The first 150 people will also get a free USB stick. I'm definitely way past that by now, but look at that. That is crazy. Like, the insane detail that comes out of that is mesmerizing. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then we have our folks over at E3D here. All of our Revo nozzles. Check that. And then you guys know Joseph Prusa right there. Yeah, the man, the myth, the legend. Oh, there's the wife. There he is. There's E3D and everybody. Yeah, so I think the scanner itself was about $780, and then I'm guessing it does not come with that platform, which I would rate that at probably about $200, maybe $300. So you're looking at about $1,000. So yeah, there you go. Okay. Sure. Control systems. I will own one day. They're not that expensive for the small ones if you're okay using it. So, just to let you know. Yeah, there's a lot of metal 3D printing stuff here, not so much FDM. I mean, there is a handful of FDM, but yeah, these shows have been kind of taken over with the metal 3D printing lately. So we have some more press stuff going on here. We have the Women of 3D Printing booth. Metal printing. There you go. Alien Designs. What's up, man? Hold on. We're going to stop here for all right. So we have Polyspectra. They do the resin 3D printing. They do resin mostly. We have the folks over at King's 3D. Look at this dragon that they resin printed this entire dragon. Look at this thing. Insane. And then they painted it. Primed it, painted it. Wow. Looks astonishing. Like, blown away by this. And then they have the ginormous 1,000 by 1,000 printer. That thing is huge. Look at that. That's their SLM. All right, let's walk down here. Some more additive manufacturing, metal printing, some robotics. How about that? 3D printed jet. That's pretty cool. We have Basif. Basif, that's the other one I couldn't think of. I knew like Loctite and somebody else I mentioned earlier today. Robos. Cam and planning. So real technological stuff. Add a blast. Okatan. Automated support removal. That would be fantastic to have. But this is more for like water washable, soluble stuff. So that's really cool. Interesting setup here. Yeah, beyond that. When are you leaving Chicago? Well, I will never leave Chicago. I live here. I mean, I live probably a half hour from here with light traffic. So, yeah, anybody that comes into Chicago, let me know. Always down to hang out. So we have Worth. Look, you could buy a machine at a discounted price. I got lots of machines at discounted price. And then we have this ridiculous thing. Look at this. This thing prints whole things like this. Look at this. That is insane. It's all vacuum formed, chamber, like insane stuff. That's crazy. You can literally make like an entire solid car out of that. Oh, you're coming to Chicago in 2 days. Awesome. We have Additech, Exteller. They have the Boston Dynamics robot over here, as you guys can see right there. Or a type of Boston Dynamics robot. I shouldn't say it is. It's a derivative of it, because I believe that's open source. I would hope so. But there you go. Then we have our friends over at Nexa 3D. You guys know who they are. There's Mike Curry. He's my guy over at Nexa. They just announced their new one. And there's the machine up close. Who needs a belt printer when you got this thing? Look at that. 4 hours for that. 4 hours. That's insane. Who would like to print at that? I want to see Big Dog in person one day. Yeah. So we have Tritone. They do metal 3D printed. Industrial additive manufacturing. We have Nano Dimensions, who make some really, really cool stuff. They do obviously like nano electropolymer, if I'm not mistaken, it's called. And they basically can make like flexible chipsets, which is insane. Then we have Yaskawa. They do a lot of part designing for robotics. We have Okatan, which you guys saw. Robos again, Paramect. I wish I was there. Well, that's why I do this. Where's this expo? This is in Chicago. This is Rapid TCT in Chicago. This happens every year. And yeah, it's a long time coming. So it's been a while since I've been here. I want to print a bench on that massive printer. You can literally, like, they have seats there that if you try and pick them up, they're like 60 pounds for the seat. So very, very robust seat. I think it can hold some major weight on it. So really, really crazy. We have the boys over at Printed Solid over there. Sorry, we're kind of taking a little bit of a shortcut from them, but unless you guys want to say hi to Dustin, he is over there. A lot of people were asking about Modix yesterday, so we have the Modix Big 60 going again. You could basically make like full car parts off of this stuff. There you go. Carbon fiber, 3D printed violin. Violin, cello. There you go. Car parts. A Benji, not bench. Gotcha. Yeah, you could definitely build a big Benchy, but the weight on that thing is going to be its downfall, unfortunately. Unless you do thin walls, which I guess you could try and get away with that. Got a nice little scanner there. Direct Dimensions. I didn't know who they are. I've heard of Direct Dimensions. So. Not a bench, a boat. Yeah, literally you could build an entire boat off of that thing. So it is insane, especially those layer lines on it. So. But yeah, lots of additive manufacturing stuff where metal printing is involved. So we know Magforms. I know them. They make some big SLA stuff. That is a huge machine. It's sold. Too bad. Shining 3D. You guys might know who they are. They do a lot of the scanning, and they have the SLA machines. You have Unitech, which is with the Matrix systems. SMC, AM Polymers, know about them. Stuff I will probably never use. Oh my God, was that a resin printer? Yes, it was an SLA printer, about 1,000 squared, so quite a large printer. That's not the only one that's here. That's the second one. The other one is by King's 3D. They have that here as well. So. We have Mark Forge. We have some GoProto. What's up, Rob? How's it going? Quintus Technology, Hexcel, KBM. When I saw this name, I automatically thought of the Altair computer. Flow 3D, Meteor. Did I cast up? No, I didn't. We're coming up on it. Blue Photon, again, additive manufacturing. Well, I mean, this whole thing is additive manufacturing. You know everyone there? No, absolutely not. But I know... Look, you guys. Check that out. Can't wait for that thing to release. Yep. We're doing some live stream, so we'll come back around. Diamondback nozzles. Yeah. Some sexy nozzles. Yeah, I definitely do not know everybody here, but I know a good portion of stuff. Plus, I know a lot of just random information about things. So, yeah, let's go down this way. TikTok, what's up? What's up, Crystal? What machine was that? So that is a machine that is coming out. I technically have parts for it already, but it's the only way that you can build it right now is to piece it together. It's called the Krylon 3D. You guys all know Fadius, or Fadus, however you guys want to say it. They make some amazing hot ends and some extruder gears. We have the Siemens booth. Yes, I know, joke. Grumpy Stillskin. What's happening, man? Yeah, so we'll make our way over to the Creality booth. I gotta talk with some of those guys and get with my old colleagues and just chat and chill. Wine? Look, they're offering open wine here. Complimentary. She took the bait. You got her. No, I'm good. I gotta drive. Thank you, though. But do you guys got complimentary Pepsi? I can take one of those. Thank you. So there, they roped her into a wine. Cocktails and conferences go hand in hand. So yes, Dina is here. What's up, Jesse? So, funny enough, some of these places, their booths, they have their own like personal person. Oh, here. Speaking of Jesse, look at this. So this is Velo 3D. Look at this. Uncle Jesse, look at. Are you still in here? Please tell me you're in here. If not, I got to take a picture of this. Dina, take a picture of that really quick. Oh, he is here. Never mind. There he is.
You should hold it and then take a picture.
Should hold it? I can hold it?
There's leather straps on the back.
Oh, what? Oh my goodness. All right, so I got to one-up you, Jesse. I'm sorry. Holy cow, this is so heavy.
Do you know how to take a superhero pose, right? No, you...
I can't flip the camera. I have one hand.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta
I got to go down further. So look at this. We're taking some professional photos. Look at Uncle Jesse. How about that? Thank you. Awesome. Yes, that's perfect. That is amazing. Look at that. Look at that thing. That is insane. I know. Uncle Jesse's super, super jelly about that. Thank you very much. Look at this. Solid metal. Insane. Can't wait for Intel. So we have 3D X-Tech. Sorry, I kind of got sidetracked there. I didn't notice that they had that shield there yesterday. Otherwise, I would have took some things. Also like how they have that on display. I agree. It is very, very nice. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there's the 3D printed basketball. That's it. Oh, sorry. There it is. There it is, right there. 3D printed basketball by Wilson, by Die Dimensions. We're going to come back. We've been told to come back. Oh, God. Are you guys going to have me do my shooting skills?
Yeah, you're going to shoot it.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
I'll hold the camera.
All right.
There's the picture.
Look at that. This is recorded? Yeah, so it is going to be recorded.
There we go. Yeah, man, come on over here. Bounce it. This was on the NBA Slam Dunk Contest. There we go. Yeah, it's a little bit more impressive than you think it would be, right?
Absolutely. Dude, look at that.
You can see right through it. It's actually the same weight as a regular basketball.
It's amazing, and it's got just enough give in.
Yeah, absolutely.
Say next project, should we do this? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is fantastic.
Yeah, this is a partnership between Wilson, Dimension, and EOS.
Wow.
So for those of you at home, airless prototype Wilson ball, Dimension, EOS, GL, and Wilson. All right, one more shot for the kids at home. Oh, maybe one more shot after that.
Never said he was on
There it is.
Never said I was good at sports.
Thank
you very much.
Yeah, you bet, man.
Awesome.
Thanks for stopping by.
No problem. All right, so we have some other cool stuff. Look at this processing. How about that, Uncle Jesse? We need to get on that. Look at that type of processing. Good Lord. Uncle Jesse's getting ideas. Look, we can get a little handbag. Look at that. I didn't see this stuff yesterday because people are all over it. But they make everything. 3D printed insoles. Head caps for kids. Arm pieces. Look, some glasses. Oh, Jesus. Hey, Uncle Jesse, I hope you're doing well. He's good. Look, we got a saxophone playing over here. How about that, man? You don't go to a show that sees much like that, have you? I think I got to go. We're going to go to the right here because we kind of skipped over Polymaker, and I want you guys to say hi if anybody wants it. Yeah, Pepsi. Unfortunately, that's all they have here. I know. I'm just as heartbroken as you, Miguel. I did see somebody have some Cokes on their table, though, and I was very tempted to just swipe one, but I'm not that type of person. Unless they tell me to, and then I'll yank it. Please don't touch green parts. So these are still parts that are going. Look at it's currently printing. Where's this at? So this is in Chicago, Rapid TCT. Look at this. Wow. That is some insane stuff. We're waiting to hear back from Polymaker about carrying their filament. Well, I can always stop by and talk to them. They're right there. We have Meltio. They basically do metal 3D printing from nothing into something. Look, how about this? Oh, I broke a drill bit. Oh, I'll just 3D print that in a couple hours. Look, 7 hours it took to print that. $63 in materials. Or, hey, I own a performance shop and I need, headers on demand. There you go. 21 hours to print that. That is insane.
Is it a canal? Stainless steel.
Yeah, 316 stainless steel. Jesus. Look, it's printing right now. Look at that. UK Skippy, what's up? What's up? Sorry, I'm missing chat here. Where's this at? Yeah, so this is Rapid TCT Chicago. Diandrite. Look, we have the giant Polymaker spool. Look at this thing. This thing is huge. And then look, we can try and win a 3D printer, but I know my skills are horrendous, so we're not even going to try and, do that. Or should we do it on live here? Hey, mate, this is amazing. So you guys all know Loyal Moses, right? That look familiar? I spotted that out right away, and I was like, that's Loyal Moses' helmet. In fact, that's Loyal Moses' helmet. And there's another Loyal Moses helmet over there. Thanks for being there. Absolutely, that's what I'm here for. But, yeah, you guys all know the people over at Polymaker. Look, they got all their colors set up. They got some filaments here. Look at all that stuff. Look. We have some Polysure stuff. We have Speed 3D. So they make, and specifically make, like, automotive parts. So they have a rim over there that's 3D printed. That looks really, really cool. But basically, everything here, you can do all different types of materials, as everybody else does. We have the remaining of Nexa 3D. Here's something I want to show you guys. It's a really, really cool chess set that they designed and made. I took some pictures of it earlier. We did some promo, but check this stuff out. Like, look at that. There's a hand inside that rook, but there's one that's even cooler. Look at this one. It's flexible inside, so it's a two-part. Now, obviously, I think they glued that together or resin welded it, whatever, but still, that's awesome. Like, how cool is that? How would you like to play that chess set?
Yeah.
That would be fantastic. Oh, and you guys might have seen the Nexa 3D channel with, I think it was Greg that was there. So these are some of the fastest resin 3D printers in the world, and now it is just confirmed that they are the fastest resin 3D printers in the world. What's up, Aether? What is that 3D? So they're pretty much most of the booths I'm going to walk past here are metal 3D printing. Can you buy anything there? I haven't really asked, but you could probably try it. So this is 3D printed. This rim is 3D printed. That's insane. Look at that. Now, granted, it's not the greatest looking thing, but there's Meltio again. So this is a little bit different than your typical 3D printing. This obviously is like a like welding system. So, and then Polymaker again. So there's something that's being made right now as we talk. It's really, really awesome. I'm gonna try and make my way over to Creality. I hope I do, because this guy's been trying to get with me at Creality. So we're gonna back over by Die Dimensions here with the 3D printed basketball yet again. You guys saw that. And Mr. Saxophone. Oh! Probably not a great place to have the actual 2023. No. We have some guards. I know. I could. I don't know how well it would be. Might resonate too much.
It's different
Ah. Before you leave, yes, I need to get to Creality before I leave here. And I only have a couple minutes that I need to go, so hopefully we have enough time. Otherwise, we might have to cut the stream short here. So we have some SLS stuff over here, some more resin printing. Looks like they printed some parts today on it. That's awesome. Some more metal printing. So look at that. Like booster packs or something like that. That's insane. SLM Solutions with Nikon. There you go. Look, we got some more stuff for the hot dogs. The world's fastest 3D printer, printed in 15 seconds. That is insane. We have the good boys at Mark Forge. That's some high-end stuff right there. That's like the pivotal of FDM printing right there. That's some really, really high-end stuff. We have our good friends over at Forum Labs here. We have multiple different types of resins and different types of setups for your resin needs. Obviously, that's my kind of go-to thing. Don't forget to like. The more likes, the more people come in here. You guys can gift if you want, but it's not necessary. You guys all know my Mosaic, right? So here's a cool system that they're working on. So they have their Core XY printer, but how about that? 8 system right there. That's awesome. And insane specs. 500C nozzle, 120 bed. Chamber is 8C or 80C. 8 automated materials with build volume of 1414. It does peak, PEI, and soluble supports. That's printing a hand guard essentially. That is insane. Aeon 3D. We have Jello. Printing diamonds. Wow, that place is fancy. Yes, this is very, very high end. So this is the other side of 3D printing that most people don't know about. So this is the additive manufacturing side of 3D printing, and it is much, much higher end stuff. Most people won't justify the price tag on the stuff that's here, but that's because this is more business orientated. You get a little bit more than just a 3D printer. You get the ability to have somebody come out and teach you how to use the system. If something breaks with the systems, you can have them do it. Here's some more 3D printed art that is in metal. Look, how about making your own nozzles on demand? No, this is open to the public, and it is free to anybody. I mean, obviously you have to pay for parking, but if you have somebody here, parking was only $25, so that's not bad. Then we have Filament Pack. They basically package all of your filament needs. Tons of filament. Look, we got some filament spools over there. We have some Glassamer Rapid Made. E+, I know them. We have Mitsubishi EDM Laser. I'm going to kill my legs here walking through. How long have you been there? So I was here yesterday. I was here today, pretty much from 12 o'clock on both days. But they're pretty much getting ready to close up here in the next 15 minutes. So that's why I got to try and make my way down a couple booths to the Creality. And we'll probably actually end it at the Creality store, or Creality booth. So this looks fun. Oh, it absolutely is fun. If you're into going above and beyond the consumer side of 3D printing, this is really, really cool. You guys would really, really enjoy this. Hey, look, I know this guy. I know him from TV. Too bad he's not here. That would be really, really cool to meet him. That would be, like, iconic. What? I'll come back around. So, because yesterday I didn't get to see Polyjet stuff. So, when did it start? So it started on Tuesday. It's here Wednesday, and it'll be here tomorrow. It is at McCormick Place in Chicago. So you have some more metal 3D printing from the boys over at Mark Forge. They are probably the industry standard for 3D printing in the industrial side. They're a big name. What? Yeah, so that's the other thing. If you come here and want to check out stuff, get here as early as you possibly can. I think they open at 10, but they close at 3 tomorrow because it is the last day and people got to catch their flights and whatnot. So is that another 3D printed basketball? I can't tell if it is or not. Okay. So we have some more resin printers here from 3D Systems. Dental printers, obviously. We have some 3D printed chairs. We have the EOS systems. Are you going to go back tomorrow? No, unfortunately, I am not going back tomorrow. I have to get back to work. Go back to normal life, unfortunately. So, all right. So I'll get some shot of Stratus's here in a quick second. So this is Polyjet. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that coloring on it. The banana. The pizza was the best. So somebody's got a piece of pizza and they scanned a piece of pizza or a pizza and then Polyjet fusioned it and it looks exactly like it, but it's a miniature size. I wish England was like this. They have stuff like this. You just got to look for it. Look up any additive manufacturing type stuff and something will come up. I guarantee it. These type of things travel all around the world. Now, you might not see everybody that I see here because Chicago is a big industry leader in a lot of this stuff. So this is like a centralized location for a lot of people in the world. So you have some more metal 3D printing. There you go. I will have a spy. You guys know Big Rep. There you go. Big Rep on the TikToks. They printed a big chair yesterday. They have a ginormous steak. Oh, they're not a chair, base, sorry. There it is right there. Exact metal. This is more like smaller metal. Capture 3D. They do a lot of 3D scanning, high-end 3D scanning.
Yeah, maybe.
4D additives, software additives. We have the Duramax from Zeiss, by Carl Zeiss, or Zeiss Technologies. Oh, I think I know that guy in blue. You guys might know who he is. We'll pass by right there. I wonder if everybody else is there. We'll pass by. You guys saw David. See you there? All right, so we're going to pass by the Creality booth, but we're going to go down one more. And we're going to pass by the Prusa booth. We'll see if we can get Joel on a live stream, but yeah. Anybody want some hot dogs? You know, Chicago staple. And then there's the Creality booth. The K1 and K1 Max are there. I'll come back around. Don't worry. Do not worry. We got still one more roll after this. So we have Gufu. We have Core XY and resin printers. Someone waved at you. Yes, that was David Tobin. He is Joel Telling's producer. You guys might not see him, but he's basically in the backdrop. And then we also have Nero 3D. So, what's up, buddy? Hello. That's Nero, and that is one of the guys from, we got Pooch. What's up? What's up? There's Joseph Prusa and Joel Telling. What's up, guys? How's it going, David? So there you go. Hey, Akuma, what's up? What's up? We have Form Alloy. So there's the GL Labs Wilson basketball, essentially. There it is right there again. So some more flexible stuff. That's like some cool packing stuff. You can use it as packing. Let's see, can we take some of this stuff? Can we take one of them? Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at this. This is like nylon or something. Taking one of those.
All material platform.
How many what?
It says all material platform.
All material platform, but I think this is nylon or CF12 or something like that. Can you put that in the back?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is Butternub TV from Patrick with 3D Stream. What's up, bud? I'll be honest, trying to place a name to the face is going to be very, very hard. This is one for you SLA people. So we have this ginormous ring thing here. And the reason is this is basically a recycling program for all of your used or unused resin, I should say. So you pour it into the system here, and it basically wraps it around this cardboard spool, and it cures it. There's the pizza that I was talking about earlier. That is awesome. It looks real, so real. And there's a cigar on there too. It was great. It was great seeing that. Here's Big Rep again, doing some crazy, huge prints. What other stuff?
Remember there was stuff on the material that you color?
Oh, yeah, no, we'll, if we pass by, we'll see it. Here's some more rocket nozzle. I'm a rocket man, burning down the bridge. I don't know what to sing. Thank you. I charge like $300 an hour. Pizza Bites, yeah. What convention is this? This is Rapid TCT Chicago. So this is additive manufacturing. So this is a lot of like dental printing, industrial side of 3D printing. So we have 3DEO, metal 3D printing. We have the Mitsubishi Chemical Groups. They do powders and SLA material. How about that? Where's William when I need him? He would be goo-goo over that. BOFA. Showing you how the BOFA systems works. It's really awesome. Very, very expensive systems, but worth every penny. Hey, look, you guys know who that is. eSun. They pretty much make most of the filaments and resins for everybody. Everybody knows who eSun is. Like, they make all of the stuff. So, we have Telsonic, and then we have Union Tech. We have lithos. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. Sorry. EWI, Seco Vacuum, Hotboxing. Yep, that's exactly what they were doing with that. Perfect way to show off the BOFA systems. Was the pizza printed in FDM? No, it was printed in Polyjet Fusion, which is a kind of a mixed material. If I'm not mistaken, it's similar to like an SLA material. So, oh, there it is. Yep, it's still there. So look, there's a metal Flexi Rexy over there. There's a ginormous vase. We have Rico Designs and our good friends at FlashForge. FlashForge 3D. They don't have any resin printers, but they do have their FDM printers here. So, and that, my friends, is pretty much it. How do they print Flexi Rexys in metal? By sintering lasering. All right, so I'll show you guys the Creality K1, and then we'll end the live stream here. Because I know that's what everybody wants me to show them off and take a look at. We kind of showed it a little bit yesterday on the stream. It's not printing right now, but you have the K1 Max. Focus. Oh, guys. There we go. We have some stuff on the screen here. All of our information. So, but essentially, it's a very nice system. Very basic, very simple. got some air filtration in there. We have some network connectivity. We have a filament runout sensor, and everything else is all good. So, looks expensive. It's not actually that expensive. It's kind of the in between. So, it'll be a good one. So, but other than that, I'm going to let you guys go. I will download the live and have it available if you guys want to watch it again. I do have the other one I'll post up again from yesterday. And that way you guys can see both sides of everything. And yeah, thank you all for watching. And until next time, happy printing. I can end. There we go.